guys, I'm Bree.
And I'm Jean.
And we are doing no screen time STEAM time. And today we will be exploring science.
Which, say it with us, is the S in STEAM. And we will discover how mixing substances can create different reactions.
And experience a great Halloween activity.
Yes.
So,
today we are going to make a vomiting pumpkin. And we're pretty excited about this.
Super excited. We hope you guys are too.
Yes.
I can't wait.
You're going to need 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, 2 packets of dry yeast, 6 tablespoons of warm water, food coloring, a jar, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, safety goggles, and a carved pumpkin. And you see we have ours here. Great job, Bree. He looks like he's ready to go. And it does sound like a long list of supplies, but most of the things you probably have right in your house already. Mm-hmm. All right?
And also, one thing to note, we are going to be using regular household hydrogen peroxide. It's only 3%. Some recipes do call for the like hair developer, the 20 hair developer peroxide that you use to bleach your hair. You can use that. It is going to give you more foam, but it's going to also create a hotter reaction. So it potentially could be, you know, if you're not careful, it can burn. So just be really careful if you do decide to do that. Kids, make sure your parents are around, and make sure you're wearing safety goggles or safety equipment, okay? Mm-hmm. So
we wanted to go for the safer option.
Yes. And this is probably what more likely most of you guys have.
Right.
All right. And then also don't forget to be on the lookout for the following STEAM vocabulary, which are
chemistry,
which is a science that deals with the composition, structure, and properties of substances and the changes that they go through.
All right. Catalyst.
A catalyst is a substance that changes the rate of a chemical reaction but remains the same at the end of the process.
And exothermic reaction.
So an exothermic reaction is a reaction or process that releases energy, usually in the form of heat or light. And then just some quick little facts. So we are going to be creating lots of foam. Our catalyst is going to be the yeast. That is what is going to speed up the process and make all of the bubbles form that foam really fast. But by also doing this, we are creating that foam, but we are also creating an exothermic reaction. So that's what I said. There's going to be heat involved. So if you guys decide to do the other peroxide, just be aware that it can be very hot. Mm-hmm. All right, and with that, we are ready to start.
All right. So it might get a little bit messy, so we are going to be moving outside. We'll see you there.
All right, hi guys. So we are back. We are outside. To avoid any messes, we suggest you guys probably do it outside as well, because it does get kind of messy and foamy. We already have our ingredients ready, and so we're gonna start with our 1 cup of peroxide right here. So we're gonna take that, we already measured it out and everything, and we're gonna actually place that inside our pumpkin, just like so. So make sure whatever container you're using for your hydrogen peroxide will go in there.
Fits in there, yes.
Oh, you know what? Actually, we need to put stuff in there before we put it in there. So, make sure it fits though. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take our dish soap. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Gosh, I can't talk today. And you're just gonna mix it in.
Okay, there's 1.
Oh, goodness.
And there's 2.
And we're just gonna mix that up. I'm gonna put that down over by Eugene, and then we're actually gonna go ahead and put our food coloring in as well.
Okay.
So you guys can do whatever color you want. We chose green because we thought that would look the most like vomit.
And we'll go with lots of green.
Whoa.
What do you think?
I think that will be better.
We'll see. So we'll just mix that a little bit together, and then that goes into the pumpkin now.
Yes. Table's gonna go up.
Okay.
All right.
Set it right in there.
And
All
so if
right.
you guys have a funnel would help with this. We're not going to be using one, but if you have it, it would definitely help out a little bit with this next part. So we're gonna take our 2 packets of dry yeast. Ooh, these are kind of hard.
Stuck together. I'll get the other one ready.
And we have some scissors right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and mix it in this with 6 tablespoons of warm water, which we have right here. Beautiful.
Okay,
All right.
so our water's next.
Yes. I'm just gonna stir it in there because we have all that other
I
stuff on
know.
there. So we're just gonna go ahead and do our 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
And mix it for about 30 seconds. Okay, that's I think as much as it's going to get mixed.
I'm gonna grab that. All right.
All right, there you go.
All right. Do you want to do the honors and pour?
Go
I
ahead.
will throw this on top right away.
All right,
All
here we
right.
go.
Oh, oh. Is it coming out?
Oh, yay! Here it comes.
Oh, yay!
Ew.
Oh, how fun. I'm glad we put a lot of green because it definitely looks green. Oh, how fun. So like we said, we just used the 3%. If you guys decide to use like the hair developer, it'll definitely be a lot bigger of a foam, but I think it turned out really well.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. So I hope you guys try this at home. Let us know how it turns out.
That was fun.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Let us know if you guys do post any pictures. Please tag us, Buckeye Public Library, and we will get to see how your vomiting pumpkin
Yes.
turns out.
Have fun.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Bye.